Every day, millions of people search for ways to make money online. And what do they find? The same recycled promises. Make $500 per day with no skills. Earn passive income while you sleep. Copy and paste this strategy and get rich fast. But what they don't tell you is that most of these methods are either extremely low income, oversaturated, or simply don't work. And the only ones making real money are the ones selling you the dream. Let's break down how these YouTube gurus really make their money. YouTube ad revenue. They pump out videos with clickbait titles and exaggerated claims. More views equals more ad money. Affiliate marketing scams. They push you to buy tools or platforms they get commissions from, whether you make money or not. Overpriced online courses. They're real business? Selling you a $100 plus course that just repeats the same free information you can find in 5 minutes. These people aren't making money with the strategies they teach. They're making money by teaching you how to make money, without actually showing any real proof that it works. Now let's talk about the so-called money-making methods they promote. Dropshipping. Oversaturated, low profit margins and hard to compete with big brands. Print on demand. Takes months to make even $100, and most people never sell a single item. Surveys and GPT websites. You'll waste hours for a few cents. YouTube automation. You'll either get copyright strikes or spend money on content nobody watches. These aren't secret money machines. They're dead-end strategies that worked years ago before everyone started doing them. But wait, you say, I saw testimonials. People are making money with this. Ever wonder why there's never proof? No bank statements, no live dashboards. Just vague screenshots and fake success stories. Many of these testimonials are paid actors from Fiverr. Photoshopped screenshots. People who made a few dollars but lost more in the process. They cherry-pick one student who got lucky while ignoring the thousands who failed. The truth is, making money online is possible, but it's not easy or fast. The real ways to make money take skill building, learning something valuable, coding, video editing, marketing, etc. Consistency. You won't make money overnight, but over months or years. Actual business models. Freelancing, selling a real product, building a brand. Nobody wants to hear this because it's not exciting. But if you chase easy money, you'll just end up making money for someone else. So, next time you see a YouTube ad promising easy money, ask yourself, if this worked so well, why would they tell millions of people? Why do they sell courses instead of just doing it themselves? Where's the real proof? If getting rich online was as easy as they say, wouldn't everyone be rich already? Like this video if you found it useful. Share it with someone who needs to hear the truth. And if you really want to succeed, stop chasing shortcuts. Start building skills.